Struggling to get straight cuts with your table saw? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, GONGMAK Miter Gauge. The GONGMAK Miter Gauge caught my eye right away. Priced at $277.20, it promises precision that many woodworkers crave. If you want exact cross cuts and miter cuts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This miter gauge features a micro-adjustable flip stop with an impressive accuracy of up to 0.001 inches. Plus, the fast zero calibration allows you to set it up quickly, saving you time when you're in the middle of a job. And if you're worried about kickback, the design includes safety features to help mitigate that risk. With over 200 units sold in the past month alone, it's clearly a popular option among enthusiasts. Now, some people complained about the price being on the higher side. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about woodworking and want tools that enhance your craftsmanship, the investment could be worth it. This might not be for the casual DIYer, but for serious hobbyists and pros, it fits the bill. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated woodworker looking for precision. Skip this one if you're just getting started or need something more basic. For its price, the value it offers in precision and safety makes it a solid choice. Now, if the price of the GONGMAK Miter Gauge bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, RYOBI Rip Fence. Next up is the RYOBI Rip Fence, priced at just $34.88. This genuine OEM replacement part immediately stands out for anyone using a RYOBI table saw. If you want to restore accuracy to your cuts without breaking the bank, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you. This rip fence is designed specifically for RYOBI RTS-10G and RTS-10NS models, ensuring a perfect fit. This means no more struggling with adjustments or misalignment, which can lead to frustrating mistakes. It's made from durable materials, so you can expect it to last, especially for those who use their table saw frequently. Plus, at under $35, it's a budget-friendly solution that doesn't skimp on quality. With over 100 units sold recently, it's a trusted choice for many. Now I'll be real with you, if you're not handy or don't want to deal with a learning curve, this might be a slight hassle. But if you're willing to invest a little time to get it right, the performance boost is worth it. This is perfect for you if you own a RYOBI table saw and need a reliable replacement. Skip this one if you're using a different brand or model. For its low price, it's an excellent value for any RYOBI user. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, POWRTEC BS900 RF Rip Fence. Next is the POWRTEC BS900 RF Rip Fence, priced at $43.97. What drew me to this one is its compatibility. It fits a wide range of band saws. If you want flexibility and reliability, this is definitely worth checking out. It features an adjustable length that allows you to customize the clamping range from 11/3/8 to 12. This means you can tackle different projects without the need to buy new tools. The quick setup with no extra rails required is fantastic for someone who wants to get right to work. Plus, it's sold over 50 times recently, which speaks to its popularity. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit heavy for smaller setups. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for stability and accuracy, that added weight can actually benefit you by keeping the fence from moving during cuts. This is perfect for you if you own a smaller band saw and want a reliable fence. Skip this one if you have a larger saw or need something ultralight. The price is reasonable for the quality you get. Now, if you need something that's a bit more universal, the next product might just fit your needs. Product number 4, ProGrip Universal Bandsaw Fence. Coming in at $102.66, the ProGrip Universal Bandsaw Fence is a versatile option that really caught my attention. If you want a dual-purpose tool that can function as both a bandsaw and drill press fence, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. This fence fits any bandsaw up to 18 inches, so it's super adaptable for various projects. The dual-purpose functionality means you can switch from cutting to drilling without needing multiple setups, saving you time and hassle. The triple cam locking mechanism provides a secure grip, preventing wobble during cuts, which is something every woodworker appreciates. With around 50 units sold recently, it shows that people are really enjoying this product. However, some users found the price a bit steep compared to simpler models. Here's the thing though, the versatility and quality construction make it a long-term investment, especially if you're using it frequently across different tasks. This is perfect for you if you like having multiple tools in one. Skip this one if you only plan to do basic cuts and don't need the extra features. For the functionality it offers, it's priced reasonably. Now, moving on to the final product, we have a simple but effective option for those who need a straightforward solution. Product number 5, OEM N773292 Replacement Fence Head. Finally, we have the OEM N773292 Replacement Table Saw Fence Head, priced at just $20.14. This one is compact and designed specifically for the DWE 7485 model. If you're looking for an affordable replacement without any frills, this might be your best bet. It's compact and simple, so if your main concern is functionality without extra features, this is a straightforward choice. It might not have all the bells and whistles, but it does the job effectively. Plus, with 50 units sold recently, it's clear that this is a go-to for DWE 7485 users. Some users mention that it only includes one side, which can be a downside if you need a full set. But honestly, if you're just looking to replace a broken part and don't need dual sides, this could be perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you own a DWE 7485 and need a quick fix. Skip this one if you need a complete fence setup or have a different model. For its price, it's a steal for those looking for a simple solution. So to quickly recap, we looked at the GOINGMAKE miter gauge, the RYOBI rip fence, the POWERTEC BS900 RF, the ProGrip Universal Bandsaw fence, and the OEM N773292 replacement fence head. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the GOINGMAKE miter gauge because of its precision and safety features that really stand out for serious woodworkers. The one to avoid. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.